variety of saag available in winter. So today in our menu we have Palak Keema or spinach in mutton mince. If you like the recipe, then give it a thumbs up. So let's start. In a pressure cooker, heat oil, add 3 to 4 medium size finely sliced onions. We are going to fry our onions till they are golden in color. Onions are done. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. We are going to saute our ginger and garlic. Our ginger and garlic is done. Now we are going to add our dry spices. For that, add 2 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric. We are going to roast our dry spices for 1 to 2 minutes. Add a little amount of water so that our spices are roasted nicely. Our spices are done nicely. Now add half kg of mutton mince. Mix it and we are going to saute it till the odd odor of the mutton mince goes off completely. Add half cup of water. Mix well. Now we are going to cover the lid and cook our mince for 5 minutes on low flame. Let us check on our mince. It is done. Now we are going to add 1 cup of spinach or palak. Add half cup of soya. Mix well. We are going to cook it till the excess moisture of spinach and soya dries off completely. We don't have to add any water as spinach itself releases a lots of water. The moisture has started to evaporate. Now we are going to add salt to taste, two to three finely chopped green chillies and ginger juliennes. Mix well and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we are going to transfer it to a serving dish. Our spinach with mutton mince is ready. If you like the recipe, then give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such recipes.